Hey there. Today, we're tackling a topic that sounds complex, but is actually a silent hero in your everyday internet life. NAT, or Network Address Translation. If you've ever wondered how multiple devices in your house can surf the web using just one IP address, you're in for a treat. Let's set the scene. Imagine your home network is like a small office building. Inside, each room has its own extension number, your laptop, your phone, your smart TV. But when someone outside wants to call in, they only have the main phone number for the whole building. NAT is like the smart receptionist who keeps track of who made which request and makes sure the reply gets to the right room. So why do we even need NAT? Well, here's the deal. There just aren't enough IPv4 addresses to go around. Every device on the internet needs one, but we're talking billions of gadgets. NAT steps in as a clever workaround, letting private networks reuse a set of internal IP addresses and share a single public one. It's like having one front door but dozens of rooms inside. Here's how it works in practice. Let's say your laptop sends a request to visit a website. Your router takes that request, swaps your private IP address for its own public one, and sends it off to the internet. When the website responds, your router remembers who made that request and routes the reply right back to your laptop. Smooth, seamless, and totally behind the scenes. There are a few types of NAT, but the most common one is called PAT, Port Address Translation. Think of it like the receptionist, not only keeping track of who called, but also assigning a unique code to each call. That way, even if 10 devices are visiting the same website, your router knows exactly who gets what. Now, while NAT is super useful, it does have a few quirks. For example, it can complicate things like peer-to-peer connections or hosting servers from home because it messes with how devices find each other directly. That's why services like gaming consoles or video calls sometimes struggle without a little extra NAT configuration magic. In cybersecurity, understanding NAT is crucial because it affects how traffic flows, what can be seen from the outside, and how firewalls and intrusion detection systems interpret network data. Attackers often try to exploit NAT behavior to hide their activities, so defenders need to know how to read between the lines. And there you have it. NAT might be invisible most of the time, but it plays a massive role in keeping our internet world connected. If this helped demystify network address translation, give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time.